Welcome back to On My Channel. Now stop scrolling because in the next few seconds you'll witness the most shocking crashes, the funniest driver failures, and the most satisfying moments of instant karma on the road. Don't go anywhere. This is where cars and comedy collide. This truck driver's simple mistake causes absolute chaos, showing how one moment of lost focus can destroy multiple lives.
Oh my god. If it weren't for the cameras, I think this was behind the scenes of some classic movie.
This sudden crash proves that impatience is blind, and traffic laws give instant, brutal punishment to both sides equally. Seeing this brutal chain reaction proves that even when you are legally parked, you are still not safe from a truly terrible driver. This delivery boy's quick look saved his life when a speeding car turned his quiet stop into a scene of total destruction. This bus driver's high-speed turn proves deadly, showing why controlling a giant vehicle requires slowing down. This car's dangerous attempt to overtake a truck ends in a catastrophic crash, proving that impatience on the road can be deadly.
In this case, what do you think is the reason for such an accident? Please comment and let us know.
This shop owner's unbelievable luck saved him from this direct hit. This shocking crash shows how quickly carelessness can destroy a business.
I used to think fixing the car was the hardest part, but now, cleaning up this parking lot is the real challenge.
This driver ignored the bridge's weight limit and paid the price, taking a shocking dive into the lake below. This car rolls upside down like it's breaking world records. Seeing this pedestrian ignore the horn repeatedly proves that sometimes, community-driven instant karma has to physically push you out of the way. Seeing the public take instant revenge proves that causing a chaotic crash in front of witnesses is a guaranteed way to lose your car's roof access.
A group of people performing on the roof of the car causes the victim to run away, while the performers jump on a Honda and continue their journey.
Seeing this professional carefully unlock and nudge the car proves that sometimes, the best road rage is simply outsmarting the idiot parker.
Don't judge a book by its cover. He might just be doing his job.
This is a terrifying lesson that bad driving habits have instant, shocking results, turning a simple roadside conversation into a disaster zone. Seeing this car driver throw a punch and immediately try to run proves that you should never start road rage with someone much bigger than you.
When road rage strikes, never leave your car. Stay safe and protect yourself.
When you stop dead in the middle of a busy highway, this shocking flip proves that your tiny mistake quickly becomes someone else's brutal disaster. Seeing these two idiots grab sticks and throw punches proves that a minor traffic delay can quickly turn into pure violent chaos. This shocking footage gives a harsh lesson. Train tracks are not parking spots, and the consequence is immediate, total, and irreversible destruction.
When dogs see a car, it's not to protect their territory, but more like they want to have a bite for fun. Overtaking the car in a dangerous corner, the tractor-trailer flipped over. The rear of the car was thrown dozens of meters into the air. Luckily, the driver escaped. This guy's phone suddenly exploded. Luckily, he was completely unharmed. A small L carrying the front of a huge truck speeding along when the light turns green. Truly a small car with a lot of power. The truck. Fire broke out while the car was in motion, forcing the driver to stop and escape. Fortunately, the firefighters arrived in time to extinguish the flames before the car turned into